Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the refrigerator water inlet valve in this LG refrigerator, you will need a 1/2 inch wrench and a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a No. 2 Phillips bit. Be sure to unplug the appliance before working with any electrical components. Shut the water off to the appliance. Give yourself access to the back side of the fridge. Use the wrench to loosen and remove the main water line. Unscrew the 5 Phillips head screws on the bottom panel and remove it. Unscrew the 4 screws holding the water line and inlet valve. Pull out the valve from the fridge and unplug the wire harness. Remove the water line from the fridge. To install the new inlet valve, insert the water line into the fridge. Plug in the wire harness and place the valve in position. Thread and tighten the 4 screws securing the water line and inlet valve. Place the bottom panel and secure with the 5 screws. Fasten the main water line to the inlet valve. Turn the water back on to the appliance. Plug in the appliance. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.